everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to block someone only on Messenger but not on Facebook. So to do this process, you need to open the Messenger application. You cannot do this on your Facebook. Open the Messenger. Now once you open the Messenger, you open that person's profile or the chat conversation. Tap that. Once you open it, you tap on the eye icon on the top right corner. Tap on it. Here you need to scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option of block. You tap that. In Messenger, you have the option to block message and call and then block on Facebook. So there's two options how you can do this. You can block this Facebook profile person on Messenger only, or you can also block this person only on Facebook. But this video is about how you can block someone on Messenger. So for that, what you need to do is tap on the very top option, block message and call. Once you do that, you will not be receiving any message or call from this Facebook user anymore. This account won't be blocked on Facebook but only be blocked on Messenger. You tap on that minus icon. This conversation will stay in chat unless you archive it. Tap on block. With this person has been blocked from your Messenger and you will no longer be receiving any kind of text or call from this person afterward. So this is how you can easily block someone only on Messenger but not on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.